Good morning, writers. Let's get started by filling out our writing learning intentions. Fill out today's date, and today as a writer I am working on collecting evidence. Let's now take a couple of minutes to review the 3 ways we learn to collect evidence for our literary essays. The first of those were mini stories, and all that really is taking a part of your story that supports your reason and putting it into your own words. When we created our first mini stories, we looked at this chart, and it looked at how to angle a story to make a point. The first thing you want to do when you're writing your own mini story is repeat the point you want to make. So state your thesis and your reason. Pick out some important words from the text, but make sure that you're really using your own words. Mention what the character does not do as a way to emphasize what the character does do. And repeat key words from your big idea or topic sentence often. These hints can help you remember how to create a mini story. The next way to collect evidence is citing textual evidence. And what this is taking words directly from the text to support your reason. Remember that before just writing down those words, you want to introduce them in some way. You might say something like, in the text it says, according to the text, the author wrote, or you could also introduce them after a short mini summary or by saying who was talking. Here's an example to help us remember. It says, in the text it says, comma, Magpie tries to warn dog about fox. Remember, the words that are in orange came directly from the text, and those are the words that get surrounded by the quotation marks. And then a comma is used right there to separate the quote from the rest of the sentence. Keep in mind that when you are citing words directly from a text, you do need to make sure you're copying them down correctly and that you're writing them just as the author has written them. Our last way we learn to collect evidence is by creating lists. So when you're creating lists, what you're really doing is repeating your reason at the beginning of each sentence and then giving evidence to support it. So take, for example, that I'm writing an essay about Number the Stars, and that one of my reasons to support my thesis was that Anne-Marie is brave or was brave. So then, to create a list, I would say Anne-Marie was brave when, and give one example. Then again, Anne-Marie was brave when, and give another example of when she was brave. And again, Anne-Marie was brave when, and give yet another example. Lists can be a really strong piece of evidence if you have really good examples to support them. So today you're going to take what you know about each way to collect evidence and collect as much evidence as you can to support your 3 reasons in your booklets. Work hard today and make sure to come up with evidence that really strongly supports your reasons to make a great essay. Make it a great day.